have my youngest 6 years old.
They're 5.
5. Thank you for coming in.
Yeah, I'm quite a visitor at VRI, love. I broke my arm, you see. And
maybe I could see you because I'm working orthopedic.
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 Are you well, I'm not a senior then, love?
Yeah, that's my father, and that's my husband.
Oh, right.
Yeah, we are many working.
That makes you know where he is then, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay then, love.
Thank you for coming in the door, and please read that.
Yeah, really quite, yeah.
It's so nice here, Mary.
Oh, thank you.
Nagmerenda kami dito sa bahay ng kapatid. Galing kami sa service. Galing kami sa service po.
So here?
Yeah, but the address of the town. Although pinito ka pa. Last time you promised me we'll have mommy and daughter.
Thank you, Sister Ella, Brother Sing, sa lagi mong pagbibigay sa amin ng mga gulay. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you very much, Sister Ella and Brother Sing. The food that you gave us.